In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and track your productivity in Todoist. We'll walk through this inside the Todoist app, and I'll explain what's happening at each step so you can confidently customize your productivity settings and goals. Start by opening Todoist on your computer in your browser or desktop app. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, which might be your picture, initials, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where Todoist keeps all of your personal account options and settings, including the productivity tools we're going to use. After clicking the profile icon, a small menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open a new window or panel with several tabs on the left-hand side. These tabs control different parts of your account, like your profile, notifications, and more. We'll focus on the area dedicated to productivity. In the Settings panel, find and click on the tab called Productivity. If you don't see it immediately, it should be listed along with other sections like Account, Notifications, and Themes. Once you click on Productivity, Todoist will switch to a view that focuses specifically on how you track your work and progress in the app. Inside the Productivity section, look for an area labeled Goals. Goals. This is where you can set up and manage your productivity targets, such as how many tasks you want to complete each day or each week. Click into the Goals section and follow the on-screen prompts that appear. Todoist will typically guide you through choosing what kind of goal you want to set, like a daily task completion goal or a weekly target, and how high you want that goal to be. As you follow these prompts, think realistically about your schedule. It's usually better to start with a manageable number of tasks and adjust later if you find you're consistently meeting or exceeding your goals. As you confirm each step on the screen, Todoist will save your preferences and immediately start tracking your progress against these goals. From now on, you'll be able to see how you're doing directly inside Todoist, which can keep you motivated and give you a clear picture of your productivity over time. And that's all you need to do to set and track your productivity in Todoist using the built-in goals feature.